Hello everyone, this is Mr. Lin from KINGREAL Machinery. Today I'm going to introduce to you about our T-grade roll forming lines. As you can see, I'm holding two samples in my hands. These are Crossface actually has two specifications. One is 600 millimeters long, which is this one. The other type is 1.2 meters long. So how can we produce two sizes? In my back, you can see there is a complete cross-tier roll forming line. It combines by two decoiler, one roll forming machine, and three hydraulic punching and cutting stations. You can do by changing the molds to produce 600 millimeters and 1.2 meters on the same machine by changing molds. This line is full automatic type, maximum production speed is 30 meters per minute. If you want more information about this machine, about the trust fee or about main team, you can contact us by email or WhatsApp. Thank you.